Hello everyone, welcome back to Cash Creation Clan. So in this video I'm going to show you a platform in which I discovered where you can make your own money by just watching YouTube videos. But before I show you that, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Stick around to the end of this video because I'll show you the step-by-step method in which you can make money for yourself using this platform. But before that, if this is your first time coming across this channel, I am Michael and this Cash Creation Clan where we share with you tips to make money online and grow profitable online business. So do it to like, comment and subscribe to our video so that YouTube is going to recommend it to more audience. And don't forget to join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel in the YouTube channel homepage, or check the video description down below or the comment section. You will see the links to our Telegram channel or to our WhatsApp group. Thank you so much. Stick around to the end of this video for you to get the step-by-step method in which you can do that. It is a very short tutorial. To get started, visit the video description down below for the registration link to the platform. So as you can see here on the screen, it says your path to simple and reliable online earnings. Looking for a trusted platform to earn extra money in your free time? At earningvibe.com, we make it easy for you to complete paid tasks and earn money online. From watching videos to completing simple tasks, our platform is designed to reward you for your efforts no matter where you are in the world. So for you to get started, just click on the first link in the description below or the link in the comment section below for you to get the registration page to come to this page. And also in the comment section and description you also see a link to our WhatsApp group and our Telegram channel, so don't forget to join the family so that we'll be able to see more updates faster, because there are some updates we don't make videos for. Instead, they are posted in our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. So all you have to do now is to click on the sign up button over here. Once you click on sign up button, you'll be taken to this page. So all you have to do is to click on log in with Google, because that is the only option here. You cannot sign in with email and password, so you can see here. And as you can see over here, it says get started absolutely free forever, no credit card needed. So it means that you are not paying a dime into this platform. So all you have to do is to click on login with Google to be able to sign in with your Google account. So just click on login with Google and be able to sign in with your Google account without wastage of time. So once you are done registering an account on the platform, to earn money is very easy. So the first you have to do is just to click on profile for you to complete your profile. If not, you'll not be able to watch any videos. So you have to complete your profile to become a verified member in the platform for you to be able to watch videos. So let's begin. So once you click on profile section, you'll be brought to this section here. All you have to do is to input your credentials. So let's go below and see everything, all the information that are required by this platform for us to be able to get started. So once you scroll down, you will see all these things which are required by the platform. So you can see here, this is my name, then this is my balance, total income, total spend. So everything is being recorded here. So this is your first name. If you like to change it, just click on it and change it. This is the last name, this is the email, and this is the, then here you input your Telegram username, you input your country. Don't worry, in the beginning, as you can see when we read there, it said that it is available in every country. Then here you choose your sex and then you choose your date of birth over here. Then you upload an image here for you to become a verified member. Just input all these credentials. As you can see over here, I've successfully inputted all my credentials. I've added my Telegram username, and then I changed my last name to our YouTube channel name, Cash Creation Clan. Then I've inputted my country. I've added my profile picture, which is profile picture Cash Creation Clan again. So now we are done setting our profile. So now let's go into showing you how you can make money in this platform. So just stick around to the end of this video, and I will also show you how you can make withdrawals from this platform. It is free, fast and easy. Stick around. But don't forget that after inputting all your credentials, you click on save changes over here. So once you click on the save changes, your profile will be set and saved. As you can see, it has been shown over here. Your information has been recorded successfully. So let's go over to how to start making money by watching YouTube videos. So now we're back to the dashboard. As you can see over here, my balance is still 0.00 naira. Although this is not my main account. My main account, I've already accumulated up to $5, in which I'm going to place a live withdrawal in my next video I'll be making about this platform. So for you to start watching videos and start making money for yourself, you go over to this section and you scroll down. Once you start scrolling down, under this place written income, as you can see, it is showing YouTube over there. So you have to do is to click on the YouTube, and once you click on it, you will see lots of YouTube videos showing on your screen. So as you can see on the screen, there are lots of useful videos showing over here, and each of them, all you have to do is to watch it for only 11 seconds, watch this for only 15 seconds, watch this for 14 seconds. You don't need to watch the videos for a very long period of time. So as you can see, each of them, once you watch a video, you are going to get paid $0.000400. So that's why it's not an easy something. It is something that it is just a passive income, something that you just do at your free time. You understand? This is not a reliable source to make money for you. So for you to see more videos, you click on this second button and you'll be taken to see more videos. So now to watch a video so as to get paid, just click on this button over here, play. Once you click on the button, you'll be taken to YouTube to watch the video. So you can see, I'll just click on play over here. The video is going to start playing. The video is currently playing right now, 8 seconds, 9 seconds. I didn't turn on the volume to avoid YouTube copyright of a thing to occur on my channel. So as you can see, I've watched it, I've even exceeded the time. So all you have to do is just to pause the video, go back to your watching center, then click on this. Once you click on this, you'll be asked, please select the name of the channel where you watch the video, because they want to be sure that you watch the video for up to 11 seconds as they required. So if you go back to the channel, you can see the channel name is Agaz Suban, AGAZSUBHAN. So everything here has a similar spelling, but just look carefully for the main spelling. So look at the main spelling, Agaz Suban, as you saw. Once you click on it, then you click on submit. As you can see, it's currently loading. Once it's submitted, as you can see over here, it's showing 0.00 has been added to my wallet. So let's go back to the dashboard and check whether the money has currently reflected. So just click on dashboard. So you can see the money has reflected on my balance. If you like to watch more videos, let me watch a second one to show you that the thing is going to keep on increasing. As you can see, my balance is now 0.00200 because as I was making this video, I watched some more videos to increase it, though it is stressful. While I was making this video, I tried to reach my balance to $1, but as you can see, it is still the same because it is stressful. So the next thing I will show you is on how to withdraw money. So just click on the button withdraw money over there, you click on payout over there, and you'll be taken to the withdrawal section. So you can see, when you scroll down, you will see that there are two withdrawal methods at the moment. You can withdraw with Payeer and you can withdraw with USDT TRC20. Payeer having minimum of $5 and fee of 2%, so tick on that if you want to withdraw using Payeer, while USDT TRC20 also has a minimum withdrawal of $5 and a fee of 2%, so you also tick there if you want to also withdraw using USDT TRC20. So you just click on provide address over there for you to input your address for withdrawal. As you can see, it's written, add your wallet address in the wallet section of your settings for the payment system you are using. Once set, you will use this wallet automatically for all transactions. Then input your payment amount, tick on I am not a robot and click on send request, and your withdrawal will be placed successfully, waiting for your withdrawal to drop. But if you want to withdraw with USDT TRC20, you need a crypto wallet, and examples of crypto wallet are Binance and Bybit, and I currently have both of them and other crypto wallets. So if you don't know how to create a crypto wallet, you can drop a comment below telling me to make a video showing you how to create a crypto wallet, and I'm going to make the video immediately. So just stick around and drop your comments below and tell me whether you want me to make a video for crypto wallet or not. If you want to use Payeer, I can also make a video on how to use Payeer to make withdrawals. So do well to drop your comments below and I'll be available to respond to them. If this video was found helpful, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, hit or drop down bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, if you want to drop our WhatsApp group, if you want to join our WhatsApp group or our Telegram channel, visit this section in the YouTube channel homepage, and the about section will show for those using laptop, but if you are using phone, the link will show immediately. Then you go below. As you can see, the first one is a partnership 2 channel, the second one is a Telegram channel, and the third one is a WhatsApp group. We currently have 4 WhatsApp groups and 2 Telegram channels, so do well to join the family because we don't make videos for every update, but they are selected. Also, if you have any question, do well to go into comment section below and share your question. I am available to respond to them as fast as possible. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to this video if it was found helpful, and also so that YouTube is going to recommend it to more audience. I believe that this step-by-step method shown in this video has been a very wonderful opportunity for you to make money online. Do well to drop your comments below if you have any questions, and I'll be available to respond to them as fast as possible. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel so that YouTube is going to recommend it to more audience, and so that it is going to go to a wider range of people. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Keep pushing, keep growing, and keep creating your own cash with Cash Creation Clan. Remember, success is yours if you reach for it. See you at the top.